Hello beautiful people, guess what I make today? In fact, I never knew that I can actually juice my sugarcane up to this moment, and the result is amazing. With this method, you don't need to stress yourself chewing sugarcane or worrying about your children swallowing the chaff or littering the whole place with sugarcane chaff. Do you understand? This method is so easy. You need just your blender to make this happen. And after watching this video, I will expect you to go right into your kitchen and make your sugarcane juice. I know you will thank me later. Alright, if today is your first time here, I welcome you to Benny Nice Kitchen. Kindly like my video, comment, share and subscribe to this channel for amazing recipes. Alright, so my amazing 2K plus subscribers, I'm grateful. Thank you so much for always stopping by to watch my video. You are the reason why I keep on uploading videos. Thank you. May God Almighty continue to bless you. Please don't still forget to like, comment, share this recipe to your family and friends.
Pots and pans, a merry stage. Through old kitchen tales we engage. Sizzle, stir, spice and taste. Nothing in Bennett's goes to waste. Oven hums a gentle tune, baking dreams by afternoon. From sunrise till the end of light, Bennett's makes everything right. Cooking with love can't go wrong. Every dish a beautiful song. Recipe shared from heart to hand. Bennett's magic they'll understand. In Bennett's kitchen where flavors rise, a world of magic under open skies. With every stir, with every spice, cooking with love, it feels so nice. Tomatoes dancing in a pot so red, garlic whispers, secrets daily fed. Onion tears and laughter fall. Bennett's kitchen hears it all. Cooking with love can't go wrong. Every dish a beautiful song. Recipe shared from heart to hand. Bennett's magic they'll understand. Pots and pans, a merry stage. Through old kitchen tales we engage. Sizzle, stir, spice and taste. Nothing in Bennett's goes to waste. Oven hums a gentle tune, baking dreams by afternoon. From sunrise till the end of light, Bennett's makes everything right. Cooking with love can't go wrong. Every dish a beautiful song. Recipe shared from heart to hand. kitchen where flavors rise, a world of magic under open skies. With every stir, with every spice, cooking with love, it feels so nice. Tomatoes dancing in a pot so red, garlic whispers secrets daily fed, onion tears and laughter fall. Ben in his kitchen hears it all. Cooking with love can't go wrong. Every dish a beautiful song, recipe shared from heart to head. Ben and his magic they'll understand. And pans, a merry stage, through old kitchen